Hi there, thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors for the walk around video of our Suzuki Swift 1.2 Attitude. Very nice sporty looking car is the Attitude. Starts with that carbon body kit that runs under the front bumper there, styled again by front fog lamps and 16-inch polished alloys. You'll see that this car, the body kit continues with the side skirts. This car is also fitted with the body side door mouldings, finished at the rear there with privacy glass and that upper rear spoiler, which really does set off the look of the Attitude pack. And then you've got that rear diffuser at the back again to add to that sporty finish. So Swift is a very much admired super mini in the UK market. It's built on a reputation of toughness and reliability, but it's also a really good fun car to drive as well. Really nice driving dynamics. So we'll have a look now at the interior. We'll check out the luggage space, which I think for the size of the car, it's got a really practical boot space. You've also got a split folding rear seat as well, and there is a tyre repair kit underneath the main boot floor. Take a look at the interior. Nice and spacious. Again, 3 seat belts in the back, so the car is a 5-seat vehicle. And take a look inside the car. So let's just jump in. Oh, this one's also got the Suzuki Swift scuff plates. So very low mileage for its age at 16,881. Suzuki Swift Attitude does feature a radio CD head unit, but that does include Bluetooth connectivity as well. There is a USB portal just down there to the right, so that'll give you another alternative source of in-car entertainment. Air conditioned to keep all occupants comfortable whilst you're out and about on the road. So as well as the service MOT that Luscombe's complete when we do sell a used vehicle, also look out for our technicians video appraisal. So this will be done at the multi-point check, okay, featuring, like I say, the video, which will focus on items such as tyres, brakes and suspension, as well as the checks that we carry out on air conditioning, battery and engine management system. It just helps you give you the customer the complete peace of mind to know that the car that you bought from Luscombe's has been fully workshop prepared by our team of professionally trained technicians. Thanks again for watching.